Howdy everyone, it's me Grace, and welcome back. Today, I'm transforming into my first original villain character, Violet. Thank you so much, Jeffrey, on Patreon for the name suggestion. I think it fits this character really well. First, I'm starting with the makeup. I'm using concealer and blending it in with a beauty blender. This part always looks crazy to me, but it is a part of the process. Next, I'm using translucent powder to set my concealer. I'm using blush and applying it to my nose and cheeks. Now I'm using some light brown eyeshadow for the undertone of my brows. Using brow gel, I can fluff up and shape my brows. I decided to do a nudie pink smoky eye. If I had purple eyeshadow, I would have used that, but I think this turned out okay too. I'm using a white eyeliner pencil to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. Using that same eyeliner pencil, I'm going over my brows so they match the color of my wig. I'm blending the light brown and white pigment together with my brow gel to help them look a bit more natural. Now it's mascara time. These faux mink false eyelashes are my favorite. I think they really add to the look. I'm tightlining my eyes and using a dark brown eyeliner pencil. And of course, you can't forget eyeliner. For my lips, I'm using a dusty pink lipstick and smudging it around the edges. I wanted to make my lips a little bit darker, but I didn't have a darker shade of lipstick, so I used a magenta shade of eyeshadow instead. I'm smudging it just like I did with the lipstick to get this similar look. I personally find contacts really uncomfortable. When I do have to wear contacts, I always put them on last so I don't have to wear them as long. And now, the outfit. It's Spirit Halloween just opened in my town, so of course I couldn't resist going by and seeing what they had. I was really impressed with the quality of their pieces this year. They had some really nice outfit options for a witch character. The costume pieces you'll see me wear today are from Spirit. This video isn't sponsored, but I just really like their stuff. I had these glasses left over from another project and decided they went well with the costume too. And with that, she's done. You'll be seeing Violet again very soon in an upcoming video. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you liked it, please consider subscribing. I would love to see you back. Until next time, bye y'all.